G'day guys, Ash here from HSP Vehicle Accessories. Today, I'm really excited to show our newest product, the Load Rack Junior. It's an adjustable tub rack designed for all major dual cab utes. Let's take a look at all the facts and features. Now the Load Rack Junior, very similar to the Load Rack Pro, is 100% Australian made and manufactured here in country Victoria. We've got full metal frame legs with aluminium extruded crossbars. The Load Rack Junior comes in a complete kit to suit all major dual cab utes, also for roll top or for direct to tub. The Load Rack Junior was designed with the adventurer in mind. Here you can see a rooftop tent on the Load Rack Junior. It has a static weight rating of 300 kilos and a dynamic weight capacity of 150 kilos. Inside the Load Rack Junior, we've designed 8 smart channels to suit brands like Yakima, Rhino Rack or Thule, perfect for things like platforms. Additionally, there's 20 tie-down points all around the Load Rack Junior that you can use to accessorize your ute. So there you have it. That's the Load Rack Junior, the new product for HSP. Give us a call at 1300 441 498. Check us out on our socials or visit www.hsputelids.com to learn more.